a video.
Get away from the projectile range.
Oh God, he's gonna Earl.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Oh.
Do it. Put on YouTube.
What all's in it?
Everything. Coors Light, 3 different types of Smirnoff.
I'm good.
Holy shit.
That's the Keystone Light that's gonna kill
You're
him.
not chugging it. Chug.
Does that taste good?
Come on, Sean.
In the grass.
It smells like catfish bait, dude.
Hey, Sean, go around there, please. If you're going to throw up, go
Oh,
there.
that's so gross.
Chug it.
Finish it.
You're halfway done.
You're gonna puke.
Oh,
You
shit.
can't drink it all.
Don't puke on the driveway, it'll stain it.
Trust me, I know stain.
That concoction.
There, you had a cigarette. Chug
And a
it.
cigarette.
Should have added some of my towel sweat.
No. He did.
I'm gonna throw up if you do that.
Come on, Sean, you got this.
I'm not driving home after this one.
Oh, you will.
Just drink it.
You fail it. You fail at spitting. Call Noblet. He'll teach you how.
Hey, I did bring some of my nutsack out.
Chug it.
Come on.
It's got
I
nutsack.
touched my ball sweat and looked at him.
Come on.
Come on, you got this. Chug it.
Come on, Magic Mike.
That's what's the worst. Keystone Light.
Sweaty nutsack dripping. Oh.
Chug.
Go fast.
Wes in there.
That's almost like pickle juice. We should have added some pickle juice, dude. There's some inside.
Don't you do it. It doesn't count.
You guys suck. You guys are videotaping this. Isn't that cool? Yeah, you're 21 now, Sean. You're good to go. Yeah. Not to drive.
Oh,
This is the perfect mixed drink for you.
What?
Don't you puke. It doesn't count if you puke. It does not count if you
You gotta drink it all again if you feel.
It doesn't count. Come on.
You gotta recycle it.
We're gonna go sleep in the house then.
This is gonna take the shit to pull it, man.
I'm gonna have to edit in some muscles on this video. So.
Oh,
Don't you puke. It doesn't count if you puke. It does not count if you puke.
Don't mention to it.
Finish it.
done, all right.
Don't you puke.
Finish it.
You can do that. Like that's like 2 big swigs. Come on.
It's like Mortal Kombat. Finish him.
Finish it.
Do it. Come on.
Hey, I forgot to tell you, the guy over here had tobacco spit.
SpaghettiOs.
That's what gave it that distinct
Hey,
color.
there's several like 100-proof things in there.
I know.
Do it. Come on.
Chug it.
Smirnoff taste in it.
If you puke, it does not count.
Come on.
It does not count.
If I try, I'll puke.
Stop thinking about it.
Count for what? We're not giving him nothing.
Just chug it. It'll be fine.
Come on.
I love you.
Right over there.
Just chug it.
Come on.
Chug it.
Oh,
Go
yeah.
fast. Go
Don't
fast.
stop. Don't
Go
stop.
fast. Come on.
Don't stop.
Oh.
You guys are dead.
I'm gonna need a list of everything that went into
I
this.
still ought to pull a Bam Margera and just go over and make myself sick in front of him.
No, just punch him in the nuts.
Come on, Sean.
Oh.
More chug. That's like a double shot right there.
I think you like it.
No.
Hike your skirt up and drink it.
Oh.
Pull the big girl pennies up.
Take it down.
Unfold your wiener there and chug the rest of it.
All right, chug it. Don't stop. Hold your nose and don't stop.
I got the wax
You turned 21, right?
I've been 21.
I don't have it. Ready.
Go get it ready.
Did you turn?
Sean will be ready for it here in about 5
How old are you
minutes.
now?
21.
Right, so you just turned 21, right?
That's your mixed drink.
Shut up and drink it.
This is what being 21 is all about.
Kill him a
Try
battery.
it. Hey.
Good.
We're going on like 5 minutes. Come on.
I'm shaking.
You can do it. Shake and bake? I don't know.
Shake and bake, baby.
Do it for Fluffy.
Shake.
Do it for Fluffy.
Do it for
Fluffy.
Come on, go.
Don't stop.
Come on.
You almost did it.
Oh.
Quit faking, drink it. What?
Oh.
With attention,
Chocolate already held that down.
drink it now, son. That probably actually felt good, didn't it?
Now finish it.
Drink it.
You off too much.
You better quit while you're behind.
Drink it.
You're done?
I don't ever quit when I'm behind.
Hey, you gotta come over here.
I see where you went there.
Really? Stop looking in there. Come on, you're almost done.
Potato.
No.
Now Joker would have done drinking.
We have like one sip left. Chug it.
Come on.
Okay, just take it.
Just one big swig, finish it. Come on.
Go. There's your winner.
I hate
For the next one, Sean. There's gonna be another one.
My eggs are in the house.
another one.
Yeah, there's gonna be another one.
Chug it.
There's gonna be another one.
Why is there gonna be another one?
Cause I gotta go inside and get the secret ingredient.
Is there Everclear in the house?
No. I puke on that stuff.
Chug it.
Come on, finish it.
Come on, Sean.
I think Christina could have done it already.
Probably.
Kristen could have done it already. Come on.
No, AJ could have even done it already. I'm Mexican. I'm used to
Only if there's Jose Cuervo in it.
Just drink it and be
Well, as
done
long as
with
there's
it.
tequila in it, I'm fine.
I want to puke.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better drink it now.
You're getting the fuck
Love you, Lori.
Love you too, Trace.
I know.
Come on. We're like 7 minutes in.
My battery's almost dead. Got 10% left.
Oh.
So good.
That sounded nasty.
What did he do?
He belled.
Oh, that was nasty.
Dude, I can fucking smell it.
Don't make me laugh. No,
Oh, nasty.
Dude, it smells like freaking catfish bait.
Hurry up.
Mobile.
Come on, just finish it. Right here. Come on.
Go, go, go.
Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Go. Come on. Go. Go.
Oh, it's vomit.
Oh.
Oh, look at our lights did.
From now on, when you spit it back in the mason jar.
That's what we need to do. Turn on your headlight.
Hey. Sean.
Oh, look at
Uh,
it.
Don't you do it. Stop
You
it.
ain't drunk yet.
Wait, what was
You
it?
got like, can you feel the water in your mouth yet?
That's a piss so bad.
Pee in it. That'd be another ingredient.
Here she comes. Just open up your throat and let it go.
If you can drink Billy Goat piss, hell, you can put anything in there.
All right, beer fest. Over here.
Come on. At least finish it before you puke.
How do you warm up sausage?
Go, go,
Come on.
go.
Come on. Oh, there's a little bit. Go.
Like a half a sip.
There's a little bit.
Finish it.
Go, go.
You gotta finish it before you puke. That's like a sip compared to all the other ones.
You can finish it, then you can let it leave.
Finish it.
Oh. Oh.
Breathe through your nose, man.
Stop. Or I will.
Breathe through your nose.
Finish it.
What do you think I'm doing?
It ain't helping.
Mouth, you're talking.
These lights suck.
It'll take like 2 seconds. Let's go.
Come on. Come on. Right here.
Pissed in that.
Right here. Go.
right,
Come on.
it's done.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
It only took you 10 minutes.
Don't you puke another time.